The 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Come see us today and we'll help you drive away in your dream vehicle.